Hey love bugs, as always, never listen to this recording while driving or operating heavy machinery. This is Steph, and I would absolutely love it if you subscribed and hit the like on this video. And if you ever have any suggestions on a meditation or a hypnosis you'd like to hear, please leave it in the comments and also say hi. I love to hear from you. So now go ahead and get ready to enjoy today's recording. Begin with taking a nice deep breath. And as you breathe out, allow your eyes to close, continuing to take in wonderful, deep, healing breaths. Breathing in nice and deep, and breathing out nice and slow. With each breath, you're relaxing more and more. With each exhale, you go deeper and deeper down into relaxation. Want that to happen? Allow that to happen. And as you continue to breathe, coming into this moment, feeling the support of your bed under your body, relaxing you more and more, allowing all stress, all thoughts to just float away. It's time to take a break from thinking, from the constant flow of ideas and wonderings. And it's time to relax, to release, and to upgrade your mindset, your beliefs, so that you can show up in the world the way that is for your highest good. Continuing to relax, imagining, giving permission to every part of your body to relax and come into this moment. From the top of your head, all the way down to the tips of your toes, relaxing, the stress melting away, and peace and calmness flowing within you and all around you. And in a moment, I'm going to count down. With each number, allow your relaxation to double. Want that to happen? Allow that to happen. 5, deeper and deeper into relaxation. 4, it feels so good to relax and to let calmness and peace flow within you and all around you. 3, so calm, so peaceful, going down, down, down into relaxation. 2, calming, lovely energy flowing through you. 1, going deeper and deeper into relaxation, completely and deeply relaxed. Now I want you to imagine that you are surrounded by a wonderful white light. And as you're in this light, you become aware of your desire to love women on a deeper level, to have an incredible heart connection with the woman in your life so that you can understand her emotional needs and so that she will feel emotionally safe in your presence. And because of this desire, you trust this light and where it is guiding you. And you notice that a door appears in front of you. And above the door, you see a sign for your own personal love lab to upgrade your relationships and the love that flows from your heart and your mind and your body. You choose to walk through this door, and as you do, you enter a room that is calming, peaceful, and you notice that the energetics of this room is one of love, guidance, and you sense that while you're here, it heightens your connection to universal consciousness, to guidance from your divine source. This room allows you the ability to expand your heart, an understanding of how women function in this world, understanding that women are intuitive and nurturing. They have an incredible force within them. They flow with emotions and love and protection. And you notice that your respect for them becomes deeper and purer, more true than ever before. And you understand that it's time to show respect through words and actions, and that you feel an urge to support the women in your life emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. That you are easily and effortlessly able to make room in your life for the differences in perspectives and how you show up in your relationships. And you notice that the energy within your own heart is beginning to expand, and this allows you to easily and effortlessly validate the women in your life and the woman that you want to have the deepest connection with. You let them know and her know that she is cared for, and that you see her, you hear her, you understand her. And you remain in touch with your masculine side, with the parts of you that feel complete and the parts that you enjoy about you as a man. You're able to find a balance in showing up strong, protective, and powerful. However, you unlock the gentleness within your heart, the possibility to love from your heart, to allow there to be a deep emotional connection that strengthens your physical connection. You allow the space to be the soft place to land for your partner and her feminine energy. remembering that the love and the gentleness you provide her is needed. It's loved. It's a blessing. And it provides a path of deep gratitude within your relationship. And you notice from this point forward, it's so easy and effortless for you to be thoughtful and show her that you love her through your actions, through your words, through the playfulness you provide, for the protection that comes with your presence, and the gentleness and understanding her emotional needs and being open to receiving the requests of her emotional needs. It's so easy for you to love women emotionally from your heart that you can allow yourself specific times to let your guard down and to be present with her emotionally, knowing that you can flow in between your physical, protective side, your masculine energy, and that you can flow into providing a space for your woman to feel loved and seen and honored and cared for. And you're open to allowing space for her guidance, from her intuition, from her wisdom. You understand that when she shares her insight, her thoughts, her ideas, that you remain whole, complete, and you can validate her. You can receive the suggestion, thank her for sharing, and then move forward in a way that feels good for you, for her, for the both of you, in a way that strengthens your relationship. So as you're in this room, you can feel your heart space growing, opening. The energetics here are so big that they can hold the space for you to show up masculine and gentle when it's most appropriate for you and your relationship. And with your heart space open, it's so easy for you to handle any criticisms, judgments, or jokes from other men in your life when they are unsure of your approach with the women in yours. But you understand that life is an opportunity to model and to guide from our own actions. So there's peace in knowing that you're setting an example for how to be a powerful man in your day-to-day life, and how to be an incredible lover and a gentle support for the women in your life. And they notice that your relationships are deeper, purer. There's a stronger connection there. And it's because of how you show up, flowing in between your masculine and the gentle side, with your heart open, with the energy so big it can handle any obstacle, any joy, any teasing, because you know that the way you're showing up in your relationship is giving you the outcome you desire. A deeper connection emotionally, physically, and spiritually. And this is a wonderful thing. So as you sit in this room, allow yourself to receive any guidance that would support you in moving forward with your relationships, with your relationship, with the woman in your life. Just keep your heart space open and receive the guidance. And now it's time to walk back through that door into the present time, bringing with you the guidance that you received and the permission to keep your heart space open and to allow yourself to effortlessly flow between that masculine and gentle side of yourself so that you can shine and flourish and enhance your relationships with women. So walk back through that door, and in a moment I'm going to bring you back from this experience, knowing that you're able to show up in your relationship or relationships with women in a much healthier, positive, enhancing way. All of your relationships from this moment forward are upgraded, and you're able to show up in a thoughtful, loving manner where you can feel the love flowing from your heart, and you feel safe and confident when any emotions arise, because you understand that you can handle them. And you can show up the way that you want to and the way that she needs you to. 1, feeling returning to your fingers and toes. 2, all energies in complete balance. 3, knowing that you have a deeper understanding of the women in your life and the relationship you want to create with them. And you are easily and effortlessly able to connect with them from your heart emotionally, and that's a wonderful thing. 4, feeling as if your eyes have been bathed in cool, clear water. 5, eyes open, fully awake, refreshed, stepping into the day, letting yourself experience the flow between the masculine and the gentle side of yourself, keeping your heart space open. Thank you for being here. Have an incredible day, and remember to like and subscribe. Namaste.